As if there was not enough news flow from the tech space, you also have a recent note by JP Morgan after we did get some of these big earnings, right? They're talking about Tech Mahindra and Mphasis, a bit of a downgrade coming through.
So what they've basically said is you've got three big companies, right? You've got Infy, TCS and HCL Tech. Across, if you pick up the pockets of weakness across all three of them, you can say that in the case of HCL Tech, their tech and telecom business was weak. In the case of Infosys, their retail, high-tech and telecom business was weak. In the case of TCS, BFSI was well. So all these pockets, in a way, are seeing some project cancellations, some project deferrals. Then they've identified that in the IT space, the companies with the highest exposure to these sectors, BFSI, retail, high-tech, telecom, and they come up with Tech Mahindra and Mphasis. And that's the reason for the downgrade. For Tech Mahindra, 40% of their revenues is telecom. And in the case of telecom, you remember, I think Infosys had said that they did face some project cancellations and deferrals. So telecom was a vertical flagged off by Infosys, and 10% comes in from high tech. Even for Mphasis, 62% revenue comes in from BFSI, a pocket which was weak, particularly for TCS, and 13% from high tech, which basically means for both these companies, majority of their revenues comes in from pockets where peers have flagged off some concerns. And this, according to JP Morgan, will drive some revenue and margin weakness for these two companies, which is why they have downgraded it today.
Okay, got that. So that's a pretty comprehensive view on a lot of the IT stocks that are hitting the headlines today. Let's take this